Welcome to the Nusselt Number Interactive Calculator, which solves for heat transfer parameters in convective systems. This calculator offers 5 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate New from Convection Coefficient. Calculate Convection Coefficient from New. Calculate New from Reynolds and Prandtl. Calculate Heat Transfer Rate, and Calculate Thermal Resistance. For this demo, I'm using Calculate New from Convection Coefficient. The flow type dropdown lets you choose between turbulent flow using Dittus-Boelter correlation or laminar flow with constant wall temperature. I've selected turbulent flow. Let me walk through a calculation. I'll enter convection coefficient H as 50 watts per square meter Kelvin, thermal conductivity K as 0.607 watts per meter Kelvin, and characteristic length LC as 0.15 meters. After clicking Calculate, the results show Nusselt number Nu equals 12.3 from 56. The convection coefficient confirms our input at 50 watts per square meter Kelvin. The status indicates moderate Nusselt number indicates transitional or turbulent flow with good convective enhancement, which validates our flow regime selection and suggests effective heat transfer performance. This tool streamlines convective heat transfer analysis for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.